सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे श्रेया कंप्यूटर चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi friends, my name is Shyam and you're watching Shreya Computer Tech Channel. Friends, there is a good news for Lenovo White K5 users. Brand new Android Oreo 8.1 Pixel Experience was released yesterday, the date 13th January 2018. The ROM was built AOSP Extended version 5.1 with XGA developers. So much to good changes happen in 8.1 compared to with Nougat. The optimizations, settings and battery performance and so much to improve has been done in Android Oreo 8.1. So friends, I will tell you how to install this Android 8.1 Oreo on your Lenovo. Friends, before install this ROM, the three things are must be enabled in your phone. First, the developer options has been must be enabled, and other one, bootloader has been must be unlocked in your phone. And the final was the TWRP recovery was installed on your phone. After this successfully installed three options, I will provide you AOSP Extended version 5.1 Android Oreo 8.1 with G apps. These are all given under description. You may download it. So friends, wanna waste? Let's start to do this. Friends, to install this ROM, we need to log in our phone into TWRP recovery mode. By press volume up and down and power button, your phone has been booted into TWRP recovery mode. When the screen appears like this, the phone booted into main home page. After it booted into main home page, it appears like this type. Friends, we need to take first of all backup before do update this ROM. Click on backup, select boot, recovery, system, data and modem. Simply swipe right to make a backup your current ROM. The backup will take time. It's depend on your storage data. It approximates 4.5 GB or something else. See friends, the data was successfully backed up in my phone. Then we have to go to home screen, press on back. We need to wipe temporary data art cache before install this custom ROM successfully. Click on wipe, select advanced wipe. In this option, select Dolby Art Cache, System, Data and Cache. Then simply swipe right to install. After successfully wiping your data, click on back. Then we have to come at home screen. At this stage, select install, select this ROM and simply swipe right to install. Friends, here is my phone, the Oreo 8.1 as installed. Then we need to wipe temporary data and cache. Select wipe, screen appears like this type and simply swipe right to confirm action. After successfully wiped, then simply click on reboot system. Friends, I will meet you after my desktop has been appeared on my mobile. Friends, this is my Oreo 8.1 update and Lenovo. I will show you what has actually made settings on 8.1. The screen appears like this type. So much pretty good changes has been done in 8.1. Improved battery performance and optimization done has been in apps. And when you have to go at the notification area on or before, it appears to black at background and icons has been appeared at white color. But in Oreo 8.1, it has been changed as opposite direction. The icons appears in light gray and the selected icons has been it must be appear as the complete black. And when we go to settings menu options, the so much to settings has been setted and segregated in one settings as in related. Just like when we going to look at network and internet, the Wi-Fi and mobile data and hotspot has been segregated in one name as network and internet. As same as connected device, the Bluetooth, CAST and NFC. These are settings in connected devices. And the app and notifications, the permissions, default apps, these are all has been made in apps and notifications. And the display, the wallpaper, sleep, font size, these are all segregated in display options. And with the sound, volume, vibration, do not disturb, these are related has been arranged in sound options. At the final, friends, we have to looking about this phone and the Android version 8.1.0 and the security patch level is December 29. Security patch level has been updated so much to early twice in a month. Friend, hope you like my video. I will update you the latest technological related updates on your small screen. Bye bye friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.